Hey everyone, Caitlin here with Legacy Title Agency, where we make real estate simple, secure, and stress-free. Today we're talking about something that comes up quite a lot more than you might think: selling a home using a power of attorney. So what is a power of attorney, or POA for short? It's a legal document that lets one person, called the agent or attorney-in-fact, act on behalf of another person. That's the person we call the principal. That means if the homeowner can't attend closing in person, maybe they're ill, out of state, overseas, physically unable to sign, the agent can sign for them. So we do need a very specific type of power of attorney that specifically says that the agent has the ability to sell, convey, and sign documents related to real estate. So many power of attorneys automatically include this language, but some don't. So we will be looking at the power of attorney to make sure that it is sufficient. And here's a pro tip. If it's an older power of attorney, title companies like Legacy will review it carefully to make sure that it's still valid, properly executed, and all of that. If you don't have a power of attorney, but you know you'll need one for closing, if you ask Legacy, we can prepare a simple power of attorney made just for your transaction, and we'll even work with you to have it signed and notarized before the closing. What does Legacy need when you're selling under a power of attorney? Well, first things we're going to need are a copy of the fully executed power of attorney. The second thing is we're going to need that original document at closing. You could give it to us before closing if you'd like, but we're going to have it by the time of closing because we are going to have to record that document along with the deed to show that it was valid. The last thing that we're going to require when we're working with powers of attorney are ID verifications. We're usually going to require an ID verification of the principal and the agent before the closing. How do the closing documents look? At closing, the agent's going to sign everything on behalf of the seller. Fun fact, before using a power of attorney, make sure it hasn't been revoked and that the principal is still living. Because once the principal passes away, that power of attorney is no longer valid and it can't be used. Once that person passes away, this is likely a probate situation and they would need to open up an estate. At Legacy Title Agency, we handle power of attorney closings all the time. Whether you're selling for a parent, spouse, or client, we'll make sure the process is clear, compliant, and secure from start to finish. Have questions? Reach out to us anytime or visit legacyclosings.com for more helpful guides and resources. Thanks for watching, and remember, with Legacy, your closing is always in good hands.